My name is Lily. I like water. The water is cold. Yes, it is cold. Wow. The dog likes water. Splash. Hey. Stop. I can swim. Good job. I tried to swim. You can do it. I have a float. It helps you swim. Kick your legs. Like this? Yeah. This is fun. Run!